Here's a sneak peek of some of our work in progress for the future SDL Tridion Sites user interface. By selecting Content on a Page in Experience Manager, the in-context user interface for SDL Tridion Sites, an editor can see its fields in context. Though the UI maintains focus on the selected modular piece of content, or what we call a component, editors can still browse and select other content on the page through the breadcrumb menu. For a given piece of content, by selecting the Info button, you can see this component's details in the Property panel. Let's look at the Where Used feature. Here we can see that this component is in use by this page, as well as a bundle. And in the Uses tab, we can see the items that are in use by this item. You can also see item version history, including who made changes, when. This is where advanced users may choose to compare differences in the source content across historical versions. For the various views in the UI, we show basic relevant information while revealing more details and options as needed. We're making sure the UI elements and screens are easily shared with other CMS users. For example, UI text is copyable, and screens are shareable through browser deep links to a selected item on a page. Here I'm copying this URL to be shared to perhaps another user so that they may open the Experience Manager user interface pre-selected to that item's property.